Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best sectional sofa on Amazon. A sectional sofa is a type of seating arrangement that typically consists of multiple pieces that can be arranged in different configurations to fit the shape of your space. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Rivet Sectional Sofa. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Rivet Sectional Sofa is the perfect blend of style and comfort. This sectional sofa, due to its different colors and styles, lends a touch of sophistication to any living room. At the same time, the cozy, high-density foam cushions offer unparalleled comfort for hours of relaxation. It comes with a durable, easy-to-clean polyester fabric that's perfect for busy households. The reversible chaise allows for flexibility in arranging your living room, giving you the ability to create a variety of different seating configurations to suit your needs. Even better, the sectional sofa is built to last with a solid hardwood frame, and the legs provide stability and support, creating a comfortable seating experience. What we like about it: a sturdy hardwood frame increases its longevity. Easy assembly with minimal tools required. Versatile design fits small or large rooms. Comes in different styles and colors. What we don't like about it: the fabric is a bit scratchy. Number 2. Hyundai Sectional Sofa. If you're looking for the most versatile and stylish piece of furniture, the Hyundai Sectional Sofa is the ideal option. This U-shaped sectional sofa not only comes in 3 colors and 4 unique styles, but it also features reversible ottomans that can be used as a footrest, a coffee table, or extra seating, making it the ultimate choice for those looking for flexible and multifunctional furniture. This sectional sofa features a soft, high-quality linen fabric, which makes it comfy and simple to maintain. The U-shaped layout produces a warm and inviting space, ideal for hosting visitors or spending time with the family. Also, the high-density foam cushions give a comfortable seating experience, allowing you to sit back and relax for hours. What we like about it: adjustable design that can fit any space. Plenty of storage in each seat. Has soft and comfortable fabric. What we don't like about it: thin fabric snags easily. Number 3. Devon Furniture Sectional Sofa. If you want to add sophistication and comfort to your living space, the Devon Furniture Sectional Sofa is the perfect solution. This reversible sectional sofa is designed with clean lines and sleek features and provides a contemporary touch to any living space. Its stylish design, combined with its plush cushioning, makes it the perfect place to unwind after a long day. It's upholstered in a soft and durable fabric that is easy to maintain and clean. The reversible chaise provides versatility and flexibility in arranging your living room, while the comfortable foam cushions provide optimal comfort and support. Better still, the contemporary style sofa comes in 5 colors, offering ample choice to match it with your room's decor. What we like about it: quality fabric won't easily get stained. Compact size perfect for smaller spaces. Comes in 5 different colors. What we don't like about it: some find it stiff and uncomfortable. Number 4. Best Choice Product Sectional Sofa. If you're looking to furnish your home, apartment, dorm, bonus room, or a compact space, the Best Choice Product Sectional Sofa is the optimal buying option. Its attractive and multi-purpose design provides both comfort and convenience for all guests. This sectional sofa is crafted from high-quality materials, bringing refinement to your interior design. The versatile chaise allows for flexibility in arranging your living room, while the comfortable foam cushions provide an optimal seating experience. What we like about it: soft and durable fabric. Compact size perfect for smaller spaces. Versatile reversible chaise design. What we don't like about it: not very comfortable to nap on. Number 5. Lindsay Home Convertible Sectional Couch. The Lindsay Home Convertible Sectional Couch is perfect for living rooms, apartments, and other small spaces. The design is ergonomic, with an ideal 103-degree angle for the back and 3-stage support for the waist, back, and head. In addition, the 19-inch seat depth and cushions made with 28D high-density foam provide maximum comfort. Customers will love the two removable headrests that provide neck and head support while watching movies or lounging on the couch. The chaise can be moved from one side to the other or put in the middle according to preference. What we like about it: armrests are removable. Charging ports for added convenience. Easy to assemble with instructions provided. What we don't like about it: there are only 2 headrests for the 3 seats. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.